This video presents OmniPlanner, a unified planning framework for autonomous exploration, inspection, and targeted behaviors across aerial, ground, and underwater robots. Most existing planners are tailored to a specific platform or single behavior, so adapting them to a different robot or task often requires significant design. OmniPlanner instead introduces a domain-agnostic planning kernel shared across the robot morphologies, together with adaptation layers for platform-specific constraints. This allows the same planning core structure to generalize across air, land, and sea. The method overview presents the key components of the unified planning framework: aerial, ground, and underwater embodiments, a shared planning kernel, and task-specific behaviors. The planner builds a local graph through sampling, graph construction, and an adaptation layer, while a global planner supports repositioning and return to home. On top of this shared kernel, the framework supports exploration, inspection, and target reach, unifying multiple robot morphologies and mission objectives within a single architecture. Next, we present quantitative comparisons against representative state-of-the-art planners. For aerial robots, OmniPlanner improves explored volume and reduces exploration time in both large-scale cave exploration and a confined environment compared with ERRT and Fuel respectively. For ground robot, OmniPlanner reduces exploration time in a large-scale mine exploration scenario. Next, we show the underwater robotic comparison, where OmniPlanner achieves faster exploration progress and greater explored volume over time than NBVP. We then present a comparative study of inspection behavior with a passive and an active camera. The active camera enables better viewpoint adjustment, resulting in broader visual coverage of the structure. Finally, we show the target reach behavior in three cases: a directly reachable target, an indirectly reachable target that requires exploration before reaching it, and an unreachable target where the robot moves to closest reachable region. We conducted several field experiments in diverse real-world environments using aerial, ground, and underwater robots. These deployments span an underground mine, a ballast water tank, a forest, a university campus, and a submarine bunker, demonstrating that OmniPlanner can operate across distinct domains with the same underlying planning framework. For the aerial robots, we show autonomous exploration in an underground mine, exploration and inspection in a ballast water tank, and a target reach in a forest. For the ground robot, we show exploration in the underground mine, long-range exploration on a university campus, and a marsupial ground aerial mission in the forest. For the underwater robot, we present two missions in a submarine bunker, one focused on exploration and one combining exploration with inspection. Thank you.